welcome back from the break. Now let's get to the main agenda, let's get back to business. So chef, what's cooking?
Now we are preparing the shish tawo.
So the main course, shish tawo.
Shish tawo. It's made from chicken.
Yeah, I know.
So we have a chicken cube, breast.
Yeah. So the breast chicken cube, that we will be marinating, right?
Marinated now, yeah. Okay, salt.
So some salt to season. Okay.
White pepper.
So finally something apart from salt, that's white pepper.
White pepper powder. Little bit mustard.
Okay.
Mustard,
so
yeah.
Some mustard after salt and white pepper.
It needs tomato paste.
Okay, so we're putting tomato paste.
Tomato paste, yeah.
And how much is that? As much as the mustard?
How is the quantity for a chicken? How much you go? 1 kilo, half kilo, 2 kilo, 3 kilo. Corn oil. You can use it on corn oil.
Some corn oil on it.
Corn oil. Yeah.
Surprising we're not using olive oil right now.
This is garlic, chopped garlic.
Some chopped garlic.
Yeah.
Garlic.
Little bit oregano.
Wow, some hot sauce?
Tabasco. Hot sauce.
It's going to be a mixture of spices in it actually.
Lemon juice.
Wow.
Okay. That will mix
some
together.
Tanginess of lemon.
Yeah.
Well, we're going to be mixing in all the spices.
Yeah, all the spices.
And how long do we marinate it?
This one should be marinated before 4 or 5 hours.
5 hours?
Yeah. So, this one we put in the, we have a skewer.
Okay.
Iron. Okay.
So we're putting the chicken on the
chicken
sheesh,
and
the
the
skewer
sheesh and the skewer.
Yeah. Along with some capsicum.
Capsicum. Yeah. Second pieces. Again, capsicum. See how it will look nice, different color.
Of course, this has its different colors actually, since it's been molded in a very different spice, apart from salt.
As we say, the eyes eating before the mouth.
Really, yeah. So my eyes are actually eating before my mouth right now.
Now we go for the grill, for the charcoal.
So now we'll be putting the shish tawook on the grill.
On the grill.
And that shouldn't take more than 5 to 6 minutes actually.
5 to 6 minutes will be ready.
For the chicken to be well done.
This kind of bread.
Okay.
We put some tomato paste.
And what is it called?
Brunoise.
Browell.
Yeah, brunoise.
Okay.
Yeah.
A very difficult name.
Yeah, difficult.
It's actually some stuffing in the bread.
Yeah.
You stuff the bread? Do you stuff the bread?
Yeah, it's going to be, no, that's what we call like chapati.
Chapati,
like
right.
some chapati.
It's actually so surprising, that the bread evolves through so many countries. And it has different names,
Yeah.
We call it chapati, we call it naan, kulcha.
In Lebanon we call it saj bread.
And in Lebanon it's called saj.
Saj bread.
Saj bread.
This one we put tomato paste here.
Okay.
And some.
So the saj bread is actually filled in with tomato paste, some chopped onions,
onion, chopped tomato,
and tomatoes mixed with some olive oil or vinegar.
No, only
just plain chopped onions and chopped tomatoes.
And parsley.
And some parsley, of course. Do we season it with salt?
No. Only just like garnish part.
Oh, it's just for garnishing, babe. Okay, so the bread, the saj bread looks beautiful actually. Just with some tomato paste.
How it look nice, the garnish.
It looks beautiful actually, the colors.
So now the shish tawook is ready.
Okay, so finally, our main course, our main food, shish tawook is ready. Wow, I can smell, I can smell something so delicious, I am so waiting to get on the table and put my hands on it. And knowing that the food is so light, but yet I'm sure it's going to be very fulfilling with a lot of portions of salad that I'm going to be eating. So here I am with shish tawook.
You can hold it.
Presented on saj bread, is it?
Yeah.
So now that we prepared all the portions of salad and the shish tawook, I'll be going with Chef Karim and having my meal now.